Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see changes in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To see changes in Microsoft Planner, you can track updates and modifications in the following ways. Number one option is once you are logged into your account here in Microsoft Planner, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the Planner Hub. All right? Because Microsoft Planner keeps an activity log for each plan. This allows you to see changes such as tasks being added, updated, or completed. You see, this is going to be the changes or updates. It was last accessed by the person or someone who had access to this plan. For example, this one, it was accessed last like 1 minute ago. You see more options. All right. If you click on it, you would notice that if there are changes right here, you would be able to see that. All right. Now, for example, this is the task right here. Click this. You should be able to have in kind of like a history here. For example, in the task details, you scroll down to the activity or comment, you'll find a history of updates. Say, for example, change the due dates, progress, priority, and of course, the start date. And if there's like a note and a checklist, you would be able to see that, right? So these are some of the options that you can check for the changes happened here in the Microsoft Planner. Another option is you would be able to get a notification here or email notification about the task updates. If you click on the section right here, all right, and there should be a comment right here to see if there had been changes. Make sure your notification settings are enabled. All right, so these are some of the options right here in Microsoft Planner. Basically, keeping an eye on updates and changes helps you monitor the progress of overall project development. If you want to add another task right here, click on it, click that, and click the, say for example, the information you can assign again to the person. You can put in the due date right here because this will notify all the people. For example, this is going to be on December 25th. All right. You can add a note here, add an item if you want, add attachment, and set the priority to medium or important or urgent or depending on your preferences. All right. You can see if the tasks are moving forward or behind schedule if they need immediate attention. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.